If you know what these are strips to test the chemicals in the water. But what if I told you there's a product that will test 7 chemicals for you and will air them to your phone via Wi-Fi? Yeah, whatever you are. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're into 3D printing, photography, drones, tech, apparently outdoor and pools, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. If you own a pool like me, you know what these are. These are strip tests to test the chemical in the water, and if you want a clean pool for your kids, you need to test them every once in a while. But today I'm going to show you a product that via Wi-Fi sends you all the information, and even more than that, because not all the strips have 7 chemicals on it. And it takes time, they're not accurate. You have real-time monitoring of your pool straight to your phone.
No.
So I showed you these before. I won't be using these anymore because I received this product from Kactoily. It's called 7-in-1 water tester that basically sends me all the chemical values that I need straight to my phone, and I can monitor it on my phone or on a small monitor that I've attached here close to the swimming pool in order for also the other members of the family to see if chemicals are good or not. The app features also some alert if the values are not in the range you want them, and you can set them. So we're talking about a proprietary app. Kactoily did a really great job. It's not the first product they do. It's like the evolution of the previous product. And it's the first one I test, and I find it fascinating. As soon as I received the product, I had to go through a very easy calibration for the pH levels. I had to use 3 cups in still water, natural water, like demineralized water. I had to dissolve 3 small powders with 3 different levels of pHs. And I had to test the probe and go through a calibration set from one to the other, registering the value, so the probe was nice and set. This piece of tech is a wonder because you don't have to lose time anymore going there with the strips, making sure the strips are not out of date. If you open one package, I used to open one package of these, and I used to use one and then leave the other open, and after 10 days all the other ones inside the same package were burnt. With this probe here, with this piece of tech, you will be able to have all the values whenever you want on your phone, and that's something great because you don't have to go there and stick all the strips in. It takes away all the hassle of keeping a swimming pool nice and clean. I've shown you on other videos of mine how to keep your pool clean in order with the pool boats, but this piece of tech goes a step forward, and by that I mean that it gives you real-time information on the situation of the pool. You can monitor temperature, you can monitor hardness of the water, you can monitor salt. And by the way, this product works also if you have a salt filter. It will monitor your salt level. I'm using fresh water, so my filter is a sand filter, so I'm not using salt. But at the same time, it measures if there's salt in the water. I'm close to the beach, so it can tell me if there's too much salt. Is because I live close to the beach, and strong winds sometimes bring it in the pool, but it's not a problem. I have it in front of my eyes. I see exactly if I have a problem or not. That's revolutionary because you basically have real-time information over the internet. Process of configuration was straightforward. Kactoily has a proprietary app. They developed it, and I must say it's great. You can even snap a picture right from the application that will save your value in that exact date. So I put it in an hour ago. It's reading, and it's already giving me all kind of information. I saw that the chlorine level was very low, and I recently changed the skimmer, so I didn't replace the chlorine tablets inside. So I just put them in, and I'm gonna wait a little bit to see if the chlorine level eventually goes up. Of course it will, and I'm gonna keep an eye to see it doesn't go over that. And that's something I can understand by just simply looking at a screen.
20 minutes later.
I'm checking the values now on my phone. As you can see, after a while, my chlorine level went up. I didn't have much chlorine in when I installed it, and after putting 3 tablets in, 200 grams tablets in the skimmer, the level went from 0.3 to 0.9. Ideal level is from 1 to 3. I mean, again, I don't want to get too technical, but this is very easy, because if the level goes over 3, I'm going to just take 1 tablet out and continue operating the swimming pool, and I know exactly when to keep the 1.5 value. For a pool owner, especially somebody who's concerned about the safety for the kids that they usually use it more than what I did, I didn't have 1 swim yet, and we're at the middle of June, nearly the end of June. Not 1 swim. Pool is beautifully clean and perfectly leveled and tested, but I had not 1 swim. So the kids use it every day, and my main concern is for their health. So this product is very, very like leveling up pool maintenance. Something worth mentioning is that inside the package you have 3 different booklets. One on the instruction on how to download the app and to install all the system. Another one on how to do the calibrations and basic instructions on the product. But what I love is this. It's called Water Quality Guidebook. Let's say you're a newbie, you have no idea what pH is, what hardness, what all the chemical levels we're talking about. Just read this, I don't know, 22 pages book, and it gives you example on how you can fix those chemicals, monitor them, and deliver, like make a pool ready for your kids in safety. And that's something that I really appreciate the effort in Kactoily. This is the monitor, and as you can see, it's displaying all the information. It tells you your pHP, your temperature, ORP, TDS, EC, the salt, and the chlorine level. And we're very close to the swimming pool. I think I'm going to install this here, and it comes with a mounting system, and I will just attach it here. The only problem, and something that I would have liked, hold on. Only problem of this display is that it doesn't have a battery. So if I unplug it, it goes off. So it needs to be constantly operated by power. A hack I was thinking about is to attach a small power bank, and I'm going to test how much that will last. But otherwise, here on the bottom close to the swimming pool, I want to have it on screen so I can look at it even though I'm not looking at my app. I've set notification on my app to see when the levels go off guard and they need my attention. I'm not going to get into the details of each chemical value, but I must say that if you are buying a swimming pool right now, if you're buying an above ground swimming pool and you have kids, I suggest you spend another couple $100 to buy this product, to have it there, and to avoid all the hassle that we as very old pool owners, I mean, you know what I'm talking about, all the hassle we had on how to measure a swimming pool. I'm sure that most of you who are watching this video, probably people who had also a swimming pool for a long time, you had problems with the yellow water, brown water, or whatever. This probe will tell you exactly what the problem is in the swimming pool, and you will be able to fix it immediately. I have a friend of mine who calls me very often and said, Alessandro, what can I do? I mean, the pool is green, the pool is gray. And I said, test that value. With time, you get an expert. But now you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be an expert. You just put this piece of tech, and I want to call it, I'm not going to stress enough this is a piece of tech, because something that can do this for you and wireless send it over to you deserves a mention. I was really impressed by this product, and I'm gonna probably buy one for my parents, because they have the habit of just putting chlorine and not testing the water. And my kids swimming that swimming pool. So I'm probably gonna buy one just for them as a present, because the value that this brings, like this, like feeling safe, doesn't have a price. So I can definitely suggest this product. I mean, I would strongly suggest you to invest these couple $100. All the links for your reference will be down in the description. Check them out. See if it works for you, or continue use these and tell me how you're all done. That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you did like the video. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.